Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And today's episode, I just wanted to wish everybody good health and good luck getting through everything that's going on right now. This hobby of ours, it's kind of the ultimate social distancing for the most part. We're out at our telescope by ourselves doing our thing. Sometimes we have get-togethers and star parties and stuff, but primarily we do it all at a good social distance length. So we're doing our part to keep ourselves happy and healthy, and really hope you guys are as well. So please do what you can, social distance, minimal trips out to the stores, just do what you can to get through this little pandemic that is going on right now. So, like I said, this hobby is it's definitely good for that. It's definitely a good hobby. If we were into our Sunday catch 'em, or pick up basketball games, or Sunday softball leagues, or whatever the case may be, those hobbies are hurting right now. So, this is definitely one hobby that we can deal with in this in the climate we're in right now. So, of course, getting parts. If you need parts, might get a little bit delayed, but it's the nature of the beast right now. So let's do our part, get through this, and I'm lucky enough that the other part of this is I'm lucky enough my employer allowed me to work from home, so really hasn't been too much of a change, other than I don't have an hour and a half commute one way to get into the office. I got a few feet to get to the office now, so that part's been good, but it's also been kind of hectic because, as you can see behind me, been doing a lot of work. That hour and a half that I'm not spending on the road, I'm spending in my yard getting some stuff done. So yeah, it's been a fun couple weeks, getting some stuff done around here. Sun's at least according to the clock, not the real space-time clock, but our daylight savings clock, sun's staying up a little bit later, which is allowing me to get, or it's going dark later, which is allowing me to get some more stuff done outside, which means I'm not processing as much. I'm not doing a lot of the stuff that I normally would be doing to present to you guys. So that's why yesterday's video didn't go up, because this was supposed to be yesterday's video and I just haven't had a chance to do it. But we did get a rainstorm earlier today, and supposed to possibly rain a little bit later, so not going to be any imaging tonight, and I'm not going to be working in the yard. So I'm going to try to get some content recorded here and upload to YouTube for you guys. But that's the other thing I was talking about, was the job situation. Like I said, my job, I've been lucky, so hopefully you guys and gals haven't been affected too much in all this craziness. So if you have, I've been without a job recently and all that, so I really feel your pain. Hopefully things get back to normal, or somewhat normal, sometime soon. And if you are affected, you can get back to work as quickly as you can. And if you weren't affected and you are still working, good on you. Really hope everything's going good for pretty much, everybody. So I think I'm going to end that here. I'm going to do another video in a second, but yeah, I'm going to end this here. Again, please stay happy, healthy. Thanks for watching. Please stick around for the outro. As always, clear skies. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember, dude.